And for more on the significance of this discovery, we're joined by Karl Gebhardt. He's an astronomy professor at the University of Texas in Austin. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. It's nice to be here.
First, I'd like to get your reaction to this discovery. How significant is it?
Well, this is fantastically exciting. So this is why I got into the field of astronomy. The quest to understand if we are alone or not is one of the most fundamental out there. This discovery here is really pushing the envelope, trying to get us just a little bit closer to whether there's an Earth-like planet out there. And it's almost no question that it's out there. It really is a matter of time right now. And we're just so every month we're getting closer and closer to finding that planet that is very, very much like Earth.
We are hearing some amazing comparisons. Do you think in the near future, you said every day we're getting closer and closer, do you think that in our lifetime we could one day discover alien life?
I suspect we will not discover alien life, but who knows? I think, however, we will discover evidence for alien life. So just to parse that a difference there, I don't think we're going to have some alien come to us, or we'll have the ability to go to some planet and say hello. I think what is going to happen, though, is we will find evidence so within the atmosphere, or possibly even a radio signal that there might be some type of intelligent life out there. The communication is not going to work so well, but my bet in our lifetime is that we will find evidence that there is some type of intelligent life out there.
So
which I can tell you blows me away.
Well, some exciting, details about this cousin planet 452. And now that we know that it exists, how can scientists learn more about it, somehow get closer to it? We heard the numbers were 1,400 light years away from it. How can we learn more?
Right. Well, this is going to be kind of a hard planet to study because it's so far away. What we're beginning to learn from these type of discoveries is the statistics of the number of planets that are out there. And relatively soon, we're going to find a planet that's much closer, and it's the closer ones that we can study in detail. And what we really want to do is take a telescope that is on the ground, like some of the large telescopes that are being built now, and try to measure the composition of the atmosphere. That's where the huge breakthroughs are going to come from. If you can tell what is in the atmosphere, oxygen and nitrogen and pollutants, that is where we're going to make the significant inroads as to whether intelligent life exists or not. And so it's the nearby ones that we are really after. So this one is going to be hard, but again, it shows us that there are an incredible number of planets out there that we will be able to study.
What do you think we'll hear more from Kepler in the coming weeks, months, years? We're hearing about all these new exciting ventures taking place in space. We had the big news about Pluto just a few days ago. What's exciting you the most about hearing of all of this?
Man, I tell you, the pictures of Pluto, I had known that mission to Pluto's had been ongoing, and it really hit me once those pictures started coming in. It's kind of like, it's visceral when you actually can see the images and you can imagine what that planet might look like. Kepler has just been, it's the gift that keeps on giving. And it has a catalog of potential objects out there. And really the big thing is going to be in the follow-up from the ground-based observatories that can tell whether these objects that Kepler finds are planets or not. And so that's going to continue for a very long time, years. And this stuff with Pluto, that I just love that. I love to show it to my daughter. That is fantastic stuff.
All right, Professor Karl Gebhardt, thank you so much for joining us from Austin, Texas.